Hello, sir. Yes, sir. Respect means everything. You have to give the positive attitude towards other and no discrimination. I want to join the army faction. I want to serve and protect the Glendale City. We should address higher ranks and other civilians by calling them ma'am and sir. I can be active 2 to 4 hours per day, sir. AFK stands for away from keyboard. No, sir. We are not allowed. Do an RP, give him warnings, drop the macros, and that's also give him warnings. No, sir. No, sir. I am not allowed. Yes, sir. I agree. Thank you, sir.